This project involves the replacing bulged capacitors on this Abit VH6-II motherboard with one ISO slot. We have a customer that he wants it, but we promised that we will replace any bulged ones. This ones under this few they're not like really bad, but still need some replacement, so just in case. So we're gonna take it to our soldering station. So this is the place where we replace them, so that would be done probably a little bit later. Try to record it. So we have many different tools here. Soldering gun one and another one. We also have that heat gun. So, and I wanted to show a bunch of capacitors we just replaced in probably, I would say 5-6 months, maybe 8 months. So that there's some more here. So this is another tool, suction. So we'll use it. So basically everything is ready. We just have to mount the board to that soldering station. So I'll do it with 2 hands, so I can't do it now. We'll just gonna remove them and put the new ones. So we already have several different capacitor specs here with different capacitance. Okay, this one is 2200, 6.3 volt. That we also have 1000 to 6.3 volt, and we have this 1500, 6.3 volt. Those are the 3 kinds that we have to use. I already checked the ones that are leaky, so that's the variety we need for this project. So we'll record it later once we start replacing it.